Sir Jomel G. Acabado. I am Jean-Claude Marco R. Robles from the Bachelor of Science in Criminology, and today I will be reciting 30 items from the subject of Forensic Science 2, Personal Identification Techniques. Number 1, res ipsa loquitur, meaning that the thing speaks for itself. Number 2, Paul Elker, considered the father of criminalistics in the United States. Number 3, Locard's exchange principle, meaning that every contact leaves a trace. Number 4, dactyloscopy, it is a study which deals with fingerprints. Number 5, forensic odontology, it is a study which deals with the dental structures of a person. Number 6 to 9, methods of tattoo removal. Excision, dermabrasion, laser, and salabration. Number 10 to 14, various condition of the finger. Polydactyl, a person born with complete fingers. Macrodactyl, a person born with enlarged fingers. Microdactyl, a person born with small fingers. Ectrodactyl, a person born with incomplete fingers. Syndactyl, a person born with side fusion of the fingers. Number 15 to 17. Why fingerprint identification? Fingerprint offers an infallible means of personal identification. Fingerprints are permanent throughout life, and the science of fingerprint stands out among all other forensic sciences. Number 18, Dr. Marcelo Malpighi. He is considered as the grandfather of fingerprint. And number 19, Dr. Johannes E. Portingi. He is considered as the father of dactyloscopy. Number 20 is Dr. William Herschel, and he is considered as the father of chiroscopy. 21, Sir Edward Richard Henry. He is considered as the father of fingerprints. Number 22, John Dillinger. He attempted to destroy his fingerprints, and he is also known as the public number 1 enemy in the United States. Number 23, Generoso Reyes, the first Filipino fingerprint technician. Number 24, Isabella Bernales, the first Filipina fingerprint technician. Number 25, principle of individuality, means that no person have the same fingerprints. 26, chiroscopy. It is a study which deals with the prints of the palm in the hands. Number 27, podoscopy. It is a study which deals with the footprints. Number 28, poroscopy. It is a study which deals with the sweat pores. Number 29, sweat glands. It is the producers of sweat. And number 30, Edmund Locard, and he is considered as the father of poroscopy.